manager, how can this hotel accept a gay?
Hindi! Ang bida-bida mo!
Okay guys, pila na po tayo ng maayos. Magsa-start na po ang interview.
Kuy, split na daw mo kayo mag-start na!
Ma'am,
Bawal singit dito! Kuy!
okay, first three, pasok.
First three na.
First three. Okay, next. Dalawa na lang po muna ang papasok.
You are part of the LGBTQ community, am I right?
Yes.
So, in your own ways, do you think you can handle the discrimination that is going around in the society?
I can say quite yes, ma'am, because ever since when I was a child, I already encountered discrimination about LGBT, and I say I quite handled it well. And in fact, I don't care what others say about me because I'm part of LGBT.
Okay, thank you so much. We'll just call you.
So, what can you contribute to our company?
So ma'am, I've learned a lot about my past experiences and I will assure you that I will contribute to your company.
Okay, can you tell me what are your strengths and what position are you applying for?
So actually, I'm applying for higher position, and my strength is I can multitask, fast learner, and I can organize.
So what department in this establishment do you prefer? One of my strengths, I'm flexible. I can work in any department, even
Hello!
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Welcome to La Vida Hotel. How can I help you, ma'am, sir?
Can you, we have a reservation?
Under what name is your reservation, sir?
Or Angelo?
Okay, let me check here first, sir. Okay, it's here, sir. It's here, sir. You booked a 3 nights with our deluxe room. And how would you like to pay, sir?
Cash, yes, please.
I have a card.
We have a concert also. Can you please carry this to our room? That,
Okay, sir, we have a video bell here.
no. I want you to carry this bag in our room. Is that possible?
I can do it, sir, but I'm sorry, sir, to tell you that I'm assigned in this area and I can't live here. I can't live this area.
No, dapat ikaw!
I'm very sorry, ma'am, but unfortunately, I'm just assigned in this area and it is not my responsible to do this job, ma'am. But we have a bellboy that could help you to escort to your room, ma'am.
Hindi na kaya natin yan. Bading naman din yan siya eh. Kaya
No, it's not just, ma'am, that I'm part of
Hindi mo
LGBT.
kaya kasi bakla ka? Magpakalalaki ka!
It's not that, sir. I'm LGBT and I can do that, sir. Whether
Sino
what
manager niyo?
work will you give
How
to
can this hotel accept a gay?
I believe, sir, being an LGBT is hindi to hadlang, sir, especially when it comes to looking jobs, sir. And as part of LGBT, we can assure to you that whatever job or whatever work you want us to do, we can do it, sir. And unfortunately, sir, it's just your luggage or your baggages that I can't escort you to a room, sir. But we still have a bellboy to escort with you, sir.
Ganyan ba ang itinuturo ng mga manager niyo dito? Sagot-sagutin kami?
No,
Yes.
it's not like that, sir. I'm just trying to clarify myself.
Magkano
Tama
ang hotel na to?
tama na.
Para bilhin namin para maalis
Ayos
ka
na
sa
ngayon,
kwarto mo.
guys. Kaya
I'm
naman
very
natin
sorry,
yan
ma'am.
eh.
Excuse me, sir and ma'am. Ano pong problema natin?
Sino naman to?
He's our bellboy, ma'am. He's the one who's going to school.
Napakaina ng mga service.
Pag-tigil boy, bakla. Ano ba to? Dito, bakla.
Ano itong gamit sa amin?
Talaga?
Let's go na. Ay, nako. Ano ba itong nabuk nila? Dahan-dahan, maklas. Makauta. Ay! Ang pagkakita mo rin o.
Malay ko.
Ang hindi naman mo na yung muna naman yan ang kita natin.
Mira doon na CR.
Oo, kanina pa ang 7.
Okay.
Nuay!
Ay! Ano kaya?
Yan na ito.
Di ba yan nag-chinig kayo ng skipping ang kinante?
Jenny! Baka sila yasa ka!
Na! Pero mas ka lang taki, baka taki lang.
Housekeeping! Housekeeping!
Kayo kumuha ng relo ko, no?
Hindi ma'am, 10 years na po kami nagtapos.
Wala akong pake. Kayo kumuha ng relo ko. Isauli nyo yun.
Ma'am, huminahon lang po muna tayo, mama. Wala po kaming kinukuha na relo dito.
Anong wala? Eh wala na wala na yung relo namin dito.
Oo, tsaka kayo lang naman yung pumasok sa room namin eh.
Tomboy kasi kayo.
Tomboy. Sa ngayon tomboy kami, ipagbibintangan nyo agad kami.
Hindi po basehan ang pagiging tomboy namin sa quality of service na binibigay namin sa inyo.
Hindi na pa po namin gusto i-explain sa inyo kasi yung relo nyo nandun po sa lost and found. Kung gusto nyo, samahan nyo na po.
Tara, tingnan natin.
Thank you.
Sorry sa...
Pasensya din ma'am ha, sa kanina. Sorry.
Yan ba yung bagong kasama natin? Bakit ba yan dito nag-apply? Hindi siya bagay dito.
Uy, alam niyo ba yung bagong chef natin? Parang may nakakaiba sa balat niya. Hindi ko alam.
Di ba yun yun?
Ba yan siya? Oo nga, bakit yan siya hinahayaan dyan? Bakit yan? Sino nag-hire niyan? Baka na lang yan sa pagkain natin. Kaya nga sana naman yung medyo maputi-puti naman yung hinaya nila. Yung malinis tingnan siya. Yung malinis tingnan.
Scatter!
Busy ako. Naglalaro ako. Hindi nga pwede, di ba? Busy ako. Alis. Hindi. Busy ako. Alam niyo ba yung si Angela, yung assistant supervisor? Nagpapapapel. Bida-bida sa manager. Alam mo yung mga trabaho niyo dito? Mali-mali. Maghintay ka lang, Angela, pag makita. Angela, sino ka dito? Sinabi ako naririnig na mas magaling ka pa daw sa akin. Sir? Hindi naman po gano'n, sir. Hindi ka nga bagay sa posisyon mo. Anong ba ilang years na ako dito? Sir, hindi sa gano'n, sir. Ginagawa ko sir. Hindi! Ang bida-bida mo.
Ito na yung file na nagagawa.
Okay, let me see. Good afternoon. Okay, very good, Angela. Patingin naman ang sa'yo. Ano to? Hindi naman ito yung pinapagawa ko. Ha? Ano yung pinapagawa
Did you listen to my instructions?
Yes.
You're not doing your job. Hindi ito yung pinapagawa ko.
Can you please give us a minute, Angela?
Have a seat. Mr. Teofilo, there are things that we need to discuss. I appreciate the time and the effort that you spent in my company. But I've also heard so many negative feedbacks with regards to the services that you are doing in this company. And this document is an evidence enough evidence that you are not doing your job well. So starting tomorrow, I don't want to see your face anymore in this company. I'm sorry, but you are fired.
Talaga ba? Are you gonna choose her over me? I'm working for almost 10 years. And then you're gonna fire me? Hindi yan maaari.
Say less. I need your resignation letter as soon as possible within this day. I want you out in my office.
Fine. I will give my resignation today.
Okay. So the committee has agreed that Ms. Angela Yosef is our newly appointed overall head supervisor. Congratulations.
When people work, they work with their heart. It is never defined by gender, identity, or position. Whether one is mopping the floors, scrubbing the sinks, serving guests, or leading a team, every role carries the same value and dignity. Because at the end of the day, beyond all differences, we are all the same. We all have an equal edge.
So what can you contribute to our company?
So, I've learned a lot.
Tomboy kasi kayo?
Tomboy. Sa ngayon, tomboy kami, ganyan kayo.
Eh ano naman sa'yo? Saan yung manager niyo?
Bibintang nyo. Ipagbibintangan nyo na agad. Sa inyo, Tagalog pa ba ni?
Hindi po pa siya hanap.
Uy!
Sa quality,
Sa quality service.
namin.
And by that, ma'am, I can say that in this company, balik down, ambot. Sorry, sir, to tell you that I'm assigned in this area and I can't live here. I can't live here.
Now! Gusto namin ikaw. How can this hotel accept a gay?
Yes.
Well, I believe, sir, LGBT is not ace.
Good afternoon, everyone. I have heard a lot from this workplace. And, umalis kayo dito sa aking harapan. Go! Let it go! Congratulations.
Trabaho ni dito, mali-mali.
Oo na yan, sir.
Oo nga ni.